In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Trello. If you've been seeking a straightforward way to communicate with your team directly on your Trello boards, you're in the right place. We'll be using the Board Chat Power-Up, a fantastic tool to integrate chat functionality right within your Trello workspace. Let's dive in and get started with the setup process. First, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website and click on the Login button. If you're new to Trello, you might need to create an account, but if you already have one, choose your preferred login method. The easiest and most common way is by clicking on the Google option and then selecting your Google account from the list. This allows you to access your Trello boards quickly. Once you're logged in and on your Trello board, locate the right hand side of the board where you'll find the menu options. Here you'll see a section labelled Power Ups. Click on it to access the additional functionalities you can add to your Trello board. Power-ups are essentially integrations that enhance your Trello experience, making it a versatile tool accommodating various team needs. Next, look for the Add Power-ups button. Clicking this will open a directory of available power-ups. In the search bar at the top right corner, type in the word chat. Doing so will filter out all the options, showing only those related to chat functions. One of the options that will pop up is called Board Chat Tiny Power-ups Club. This is the power-up we will use to enable chat on our board. Click on it to open more details about the feature. You should see an Add button. Click on this, and if prompted, click Add again to confirm. This step effectively installs the chat functionality onto your Trello board. Once the installation is complete, a dialog box might appear, giving you additional information. You can read through it, but feel free to close it when you're ready to proceed. Now you'll notice a new option labeled Chat on your Trello board interface. Click on this new chat button to open the chat window. Before you can start chatting, you'll need to authorize the board chat to access your Trello board. Click on Authorize Board Chat and approve any permissions it requires by clicking Allow. This step ensures that the chat functionality works seamlessly and securely with your Trello account. Finally, you're all set to start communicating with your team. Simply type your messages into the chat window and send them off. It's a convenient way to discuss tasks, review progress, and make plans without leaving the Trello environment. Happy chatting, and I hope this makes your Trello experience even more collaborative and productive.